Hi guys, I'm just gonna do a quick I guess tutorial of what I do when I leave the gas station or come inside. I wipe my hands with a baby wipe since I can't find wet ones right now. And then I clean my hands with the wipe, and then I also wipe my card down. And then I get my hand sanitizer, and this is the Clean Hands in Lavender. And then, spray my hands, spray the card, and then I also spray my mask, because this is all I have is this kind, and I spray both sides. And although you should throw these away to get a new one, but if you can, or if you have a cloth one, you can just spray it, and that way you kill anything that might be on there, and you get some aromatherapy while you're walking around. Thanks for watching.